again. Now we're sorry for the mix-up. You're having supper. So the plane is whatever. So let's just start the video now. Come on. Just watch this way. So last video was kind of awesome. Oh, and let's start the video. It looks like with the train. So today we'll be first. No, don't you dare. Okay, at first we are doing this. Don't turn it back. Oh, and he got took down. Oh, come on, stop. And let's get them go. Let's get it on the floor.
I want to go on this train.
Oh, there, today. Now, folks, you're doing the dangerous class. Oh, forklift going around. A forklift.
Because you know how like some ones they have like the camera on the front of them.
So today is the foot-long deadly. Stop the
Oh!
If you can stop, come here. If you can see there is the lady's foot.
See right there, guys, is the lady's foot. That little yellow turquoise. It was from my fire station set that is somewhere down in the basement. That's what she looks like. And there's a forklift that we will be hitting. We're just gonna back the train off.
Oh yeah, back it up, lady. Back it up.
Okay, you have to go.